Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the Euro-US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from Friday morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar had another very impulsive move down on Friday. As you can see, we're kind of in no man's land right here, so I would kind of expect it to go at least down to the 78.6, right around the 1.0596 area. And you never really know, it could just make another pullback, and it possibly could just keep on going. I am definitely still looking at it as a possible wave C, but I am definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of lower lows, lower highs. I for sure am looking for shorts. I would like to see it make a nice three-way pattern up to a Fibonacci level, maybe something like this, like an ABC, up to a Fib level, which really technically it could be either any of them. Then an impulsive engulfing move to the downside would be my next entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.